Gas boiler versus heat pump. Which is better for UK homes? Should you stick with gas or switch to a heat pump? One of these can cost you a lot more over time, and it's not always the one people expect. I'm Michael from BeFix, and here's a clear, honest comparison for UK homes. A gas boiler is usually cheaper to install up front. It's familiar, powerful, and works well with existing radiators. But it burns fossil fuel, and gas prices can be unpredictable. A heat pump costs more initially, but it works very differently. Instead of creating heat, it moves heat from the air into your home using electricity. For every unit of electricity it uses, a heat pump can produce 3 to 4 units of heat. That makes it far more efficient than a gas boiler. However, heat pumps work best in well-insulated homes with larger radiators or underfloor heating. If a house isn't set up properly, running costs can actually be higher. For modern insulated homes, heat pumps can be cheaper long-term. For older properties, gas may still make more sense. BeFix can assess your home properly and tell you which option is actually best for you. Call us on 0208 058 4241 or visit befix.co.uk to book your repair today.